Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday, the 1st of February. Yay!
Good morning.
So Michael and I just came out of our meditation, so I wanted to just turn this on right away to share what took place. So as soon as we began, my consciousness went all the way up to the call of the morning prayer, and I called in the name of my beloved I am presence. As soon as my consciousness went there, I saw from source line, from the center of it, these diamond double helixes coming down. So it's very much the DNA, but they weren't round. They were all diamond coming and spiraling. As I saw it extending from source line, coming down to all universe, to planets, to solar systems, to galaxy, then my consciousness followed down all the way towards Earth, into the center of Earth. And it was interesting because one side of it was bluish in color, the other side of it was more of a pinkish reddish, and the center of, like, say if this is the diamond, the one the bar across each other was gold, and inside of it was more gold. And as it was extending to the center of Gaia, it was showing me that that one diamond is also in the center. So it is the heart when it pulses. That's why nature is so divinely perfect, because it comes from the heart pulse of Gaia. And then I saw, like, you and I in diamond, and again we are in balanced state when we are right in that center, which we know, but like in imagery. And when we're out of this, we're out of balance, out of center. So the balance again is the heart, is right in the center of it. And these things sort of like spiraling, spinning. And then it was showing all that is not divine in nature is out of balance of this pulsing light that radiates in it. And all that is in the center from its heart and is balanced. And of course it was just so perfect today, just so perfect in that mental, emotional, physical, spiritual awareness, and really heart standing it. So that was my
beautiful. Immediately when I closed my eyes, I saw a diamond, and it was interesting because it was like one diamond, and then on top of that another diamond, and another diamond with golden rays coming straight down. Each diamond were different powerful rays of colors, which all turn golden. And what was interesting is we were in the center of that diamond, and that diamond was all of a sudden turning into gold. And then when my consciousness went to the center, there was an egg, and then the egg cracked open, and then we were there. And it was interesting because we were there, but we were like there in dragon form. And so as that was happening, then the periphery of the diamond edges started to turn rainbow color, and then that started to expand in very, very powerful golden light within our egg, and within the center of the diamond that turned so bright that it was pulsing through us, through Earth, through the galaxy, all the way where it took my consciousness out into space, where then it was just surrounded by all these golden beings that were like clapping and bowing in what has been brought forward, and congratulations of all that has been accomplished and achieved. And so as that was happening, all of a sudden there's this powerful white light that just came directly into the diamond, into us, and just started to expand to the point where the light was so bright that all of a sudden it was just codes, light, energy that kept fusing all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. And as it was coming all the way down, then Archangel Michael appeared with his big wings, and then a blue ray came right within, saying, "You're protected, you're loved, you're protected, you're guided, you're loved." And then all the angels came around us and just like held us with their hands, shining energy. And as the blue ray came in, and just expanded through us.
That's so beautiful. Yeah, like really deep.
I felt it in my heart, because I felt my heart expand, and it was beautiful what you said about everything. When we're in balance, then there's that divine level.
No, I said the balance, the heart is what brings balance.
The heart is in balance. Yeah. Okay.
No. When we are in our heart, we are in our balance.
Right.
We don't create balance.
Right.
Balance already is when we come in our heart.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Yes.
Because you know how we speak of this, we're always trying to create balance.
Right.
Why are we trying to create balance? Because we are out of balance, because we are not in our heart.
Right.
But when we are in our heart, we are already, when we are in our heart, we live from the balanced state, because our action then are in a balance.
Right. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for joining in. We're sharing this so that when you can do your meditation, you can just give yourself permission to be free and open with what you experience. So hopefully it served you. So much love to all of you. Happy first day of this amazing, amazing celebration. Thanks.